This is a video on how to use Autocrat, a Google Sheets extension that lets you fill in information pulled from a Google Sheet and kind of automatically fill in a Google slide or a Google document. So in my example, I'm going to use a Google slide. So our problem is that we have morning announcements, virtual morning announcements at school. We use a Google slide for each day of the week, and the information is added here. So it's very labor intensive to kind of go through each slide, add the day of the week, the date, do it again in French, kind of whatever events happening, even the joke of the day. It all takes a lot of time to do it. You've got to scroll through the slides to get all the information in. So one way of automating that is to put the exact same information into a Google Sheet. So you can see I've got my headings here for the day of the week, the date, the cycle. Those both will work in French again. What the day is, Trivia Tuesday, and then I have what the description is of the event going in there and the joke for the day as well. So the way this works is kind of cool. You may say, well, I've got to enter all the same information in this Google Sheet, and that is 100% true. But it is much easier to look at the sheet and kind of see this condensed view, all the information, and from scrolling from 20 different slides to get all the information added. So in here, I'll go to extensions. I've already added Autocrat. I'm just going to show you what the end result is, not how to set it up. I'll say open. It's going to open Autocrat right here in a second. And I'll just hit play. I've already set all these things up. I just want to show you how it works. I'll hit play. It's going to run the job. And you can see it's added some information over here in the corner. 21 rows. Goes through this pretty quick. Okay, it's done. So I'll hit X. And within a few seconds, I can open up my new slide, file that's created, and you can see, after it loads all these images in, it's got the day of the week, the day of the month, the day of the cycle. It does the same in French for the day of the month and the cycle as well. Now there are some few small problems. For instance, I had to put in February 1st. So for first couple of days, first, second, I'll have to change those. And for some of my jokes, the punchline isn't always separated from the joke. So, I'm going to have to go in here and hit enter to solve that. But this is a great way to automate the entire process. And now the majority of my slides are done. All 20 of them, or 21, finished. I just have any extra information that comes in, and I still have to figure out how to get the birthdays in there automatically. But overall, great solution.